Hello students, welcome to mathematics class for class 12. Today we will understand linear differential equation of first order. In your syllabus, linear differential equation of first order of the form dy upon dx plus py is equal to q is there. In dy upon dx plus py is equal to q, what is p and q? If we talk about p and q are the functions of x only or constants. Now move on to the solution of differential equation, which is linear. We have to follow two steps. In first step, we have to find the integrating factor, and integrating factor is equal to e to the power integration of p dx. And after finding integrating factor, we will apply second step, that is y into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into q and integration with respect to x. It means the product which will be obtained by multiplying integrating factor and q, we will integrate the product with respect to x. Now we will try to understand with an example how to solve the linear differential equation. First of all, if we notice x square minus 1 dy upon dx plus 2xy is equal to 2 upon x square minus 1. This is the linear differential equation, but not in the standard form dy upon dx plus py is equal to q. So first of all, we have to reduce this differential equation in the standard form dy upon dx plus py is equal to q. For that, we have to divide first of all by x square minus 1. So we will divide the given differential equation by x square minus 1 in both the sides. So we will write x square minus 1 upon x square minus 1 into dy upon dx and 2xy upon x square minus 1 and 2 upon x square minus 1 into x square minus 1. Now this is cancelled and we have dy upon dx plus 2x upon x square minus 1 y is equal to 2 upon x square minus 1 whole square it will become. Now this linear differential equation has been reduced to the standard form. Now simply we can equate dy upon dx plus py is equal to q. Now the value of p you can see, p is equal to 2x upon x square minus 1 and value of q is 2 upon x square minus 1 whole square. You can see p and q are the functions of x only. Now move on to the finding integrating factor. As you know, integrating factor is equal to e to the power integration of p dx, that is e to the power integration of 2x upon x square minus 1 dx. Now integration of 2x upon x square minus 1, we can apply the method of substitution for integration. If we let x square minus 1 as t, then we will get 2x dx is equal to dt. It means integration of this function can be written as log mod x square minus 1. So this is the integrating factor. Now move on to the second step, that is y into integrating factor. You can see y In multiplication of y, we will write the integrating factor e to the power log mod x square minus 1 is equal to integration of integrating factor, that is e to the power log mod x square minus 1 into q, the value of q you can see here 2 upon x square minus 1 whole square. Now you know that e to the power log mod x is equal to x. Since the base of log is e here, so the value of e to the power log x square minus 1 will be only x square minus 1. So we will write y into x square minus 1, and in integration here it will become x square minus 1 into 2 upon x square minus 1 whole square. Now you can see y into x square minus 1 is equal to, this will be cancelled, and we have 1 upon x square minus 1 in the integration. Now y into x square minus 1 is equal to, in this is the form of 1 upon x square minus a square, 1 upon variable square minus constant square. So the integration of this is 1 upon 2 log mod x minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus c. Now y into x square minus 1, if we multiply 2 within the bracket, this will remain only log mod x minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus c. This is the general solution for the linear differential equation. Thank you.